Hey everybody, this is Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at Water Country USA, and this is High Tide Harbor, which is our splash zone. And I thought this was so interesting that I wanted to make sure that I made it a full spotlight, to be honest with you. It is one of the really cool ones because there's actually 3 different buckets. But here's this High Tide Harbor sign. But when you come up here, this is what you are greeted with. Just a lot of splashing good fun here. So we're going to show you, we're going to walk around and show you the entire thing here. There goes the orange bucket, which is the mid-size bucket. The kids running around in fear there, but you got 2 slides right here. You got an orange one, and you got this really nice wide with waterfall sprouts there, fluorescent green one there. And then over here you got a nice little mushroom and stuff. As you walk over here, so endless summer fun there. I like the marketing there, the High Tide Harbor. But as you run over there, you have stairs that take you up to a lot of play areas. And the small bucket, which is the yellow one, which looks like it's about to go. So let's see if anybody enjoys it here. I do like the chance that they have 3 different size buckets. So the small one, of course, ducks a lot, like right now. I actually got that gentleman pretty good here. And then you got the big boy over here that goes probably every 2 or 3 minutes. Well, the other one over there, the orange one, smaller. But there you got the blue slide. The blue slide is a little bit more advanced for the kids. You can catch a wave this way, they say. And then there you got that basketball hoop kind of thing there. I've never seen one of those before, so that's kind of neat. But as you can tell, this is a great play area, good splashing fun area here. But hopefully we can get all 3 here. Like I said, the green bucket takes some time, but as you come over here, like I said, everywhere you look, you've got areas that are just there to get you wet. And it's a hot, muggy day here in August, so it's good. There you can shoot people, aiming for his friend, it looks like. And over there, it looks like that little bucket's getting ready to go again here. But when this big bucket goes, it is a lot of fun. When I did the walkthrough, I saw a lot of kids doing what those 2 kids are doing, just waiting for it to collapse on them. So we're going to see if we can get that real quick. The other thing, oh, here it comes. They got buried. But the other thing that's neat here around here is you got a lot of cabanas. So you got a lot of cabanas, but then you also got a lot of regular people seating and stuff like that. So this is the back end of it over here. There's another bucket here. So here you basically don't have as much. You have a little ball here getting you wet there, but over here you got a nice little, looks like a little, I don't know, like Dr. Seussian, I guess. But all in all, like I said, this is a great splash zone here. You can go under here. Just going under there, you get pretty drenched. Over here, they got one of those fans. You got squirt guns, and people can try to aim and get me. Notice I'm walking in a wet area, so I am vulnerable for this here. But that's a neat little thing. I've never seen one like this, where it kind of plops the water down on that end here. But we're back here towards the front. But like I said, you got tons of seating out here. You got tons of just a lot of fun. And it has a really high capacity here. So this is High Tide Harbor. Let us know your thoughts here. Have you seen better ones? If so, you have seen better splash pads, let us know. But if not, catch a wave because the surf is up.